Hi, my name's Chris and I'm the Marine Logistics Coordinator for Magicman. I found the culture is very relaxed. They expect you to do your work and they'll treat you as an adult, which is comfortable. It's nice knowing that there is an open door policy as well with management, but everyone seems to help tuck in when it's needed, which is helpful. My responsibilities are quite varied. We do a lot of work in the marine industry, particularly within cruise ships. We tend to do a lot of preparation beforehand to ensure that our products and our tooling are put onto job boxes in time for our technicians to undertake the work. With the cruise industry being as spread out as it is, we could be boarding anywhere from Europe to the Americas all the way down to Australia. So it takes a lot of preparing those job boxes, as well as also making sure that our technicians are prepared. We need to get their vaccination statuses updated, visas need to be prepared. We need to make sure that we can get our technicians to the airport to get their flights to whichever hotel or whichever boat they're going to, onboarded, they're undertaking their work, and then we can get them back safely in order to start their normal 9 to 5 jobs again. If you think of a cruise ship being as a floating hotel, there's lots of baggage that gets moved through there daily, weekly, monthly, and that does lead to a lot of wear and tear on hard surfaces all the way through public areas where there's high traffic. There's usually a lot of damage that's done there. We could be quite specific and do some marble or glass repairs. It's purely down to what's picked up in the survey beforehand. We're looking for people that are hardworking, are able to be flexible, because sometimes, especially in my area of work, you need to be able to sometimes do a bit longer on a certain day because we work with people that are based overseas. So there may be work that needs to be done outside of our normal 9 to 5. However, Magicman do understand that, and they're always willing to work around and make sure that everyone benefits ultimately from that.